Hi, I'm Caitlin Pollahan, CEO and Executive Director of the International Society of Arboriculture. Normally this time of year, ISA would be hosting our annual international conference and trade show, and our board of directors would install your new officers and formally transition the leadership of the organization to the new board president. Because of COVID, our conference has moved to a virtual event this year that will be held in December, and the board recently voted to retain our traditional transition of leadership and the passing of the gavel this month as scheduled. While we were able to convince several of our past presidents to participate virtually, we wanted to use this opportunity to celebrate all of our past leaders. Please join me as we recognize the ISA members who have helped to shape our organization and profession for more than 90 years. These extraordinary times allow for new and unique approaches. So I invite you to join us for our first ever virtual passing of the ISA gavel.
Highland Johns, and I was president from 1976 to 1977.
Sharon Lilly, 1996.
President of the ISA in 1998. And I now pass the gavel from my right hand to my left hand.
Seattle in 2002.
Mike O'Neill, 2003 to 2005.
Tim Gamma, President 2009 to 2011.
Terry Flanagan, President of ISA 2013-2014.
Mark Roberts, 2014-2015.
Paul Reese, 2017-2018.
Pedro Mendes Castro, 2018-2019.
Paul Johnson, 2019-2020.
Ann Beard, 2020-2021. Wow, what an amazing group of professionals with whom I'm humbled to now be associated. I am awed by the responsibility I now assume as president of the International Society of Arboriculture. And I'm very thankful for the strong, unwavering leadership of President Paul Johnson during this unpredictable and uncertain year. He will be missed after more than 7 years serving this great organization. I want to take the time to thank Scott Proffitt and Cecil Knondike for their years of dedicated service on the ISA Board of Directors through some very interesting and exciting times. I'm also excited to welcome our new board members, Janine Lester, who was elected to fill the remaining 2 years of an unexpired term, as well as Sharon Jean-Philippe, Shirley Vaughn, and Samuel Ma. In these extraordinary times, the ISA remains strong. I have no fear that we'll come out of this pandemic with flying colors. I expected this ceremony to be held during our annual conference here in my hometown of Albuquerque, New Mexico. However, because of ongoing restrictions, the time-honored passing of the gavel must be held virtually. Thank goodness for technology. During my term as president, I believe the board of directors and staff will be confronting ongoing virus restrictions, challenging former ways of doing business, while continuing to provide services you, our valued members, have come to expect. I know we are up to the challenge, and the ISA Board of Directors is ready to serve with the skilled leadership of our executive, Caitlin Pollahan, and the support of our wonderful staff. Recently, the Board of Directors made the sad decision to cancel our rescheduled ISA annual conference, which was to be held here in Albuquerque, New Mexico on December 15th through the 17th this year. The ISA Board of Directors evaluated all options for keeping our attendees, speakers, volunteers, and the public safety as the #1 priority in our decision-making, and in the end concluded that holding the meeting in person was not feasible. While we will not be seeing each other in person this year, the ISA is working diligently to provide some new exciting virtual experiences for our membership. Stay tuned for more information. I look forward to seeing all of you very soon. Thank you for your confidence in me, and please be well.